Most of you will know us from service and maintenance of cars, but a large part of our core business has always been looking after fleet. We're joined this morning by Carl Malone, Health and Safety and Fleet Manager of Viatel Technology Group. Carl, why is fleet maintenance so important to Viatel Technology Group?
Well, with over 300 employees and over 40 vans on the road, it's extremely important that we have a reliable fleet that is on the road at all times to ensure that we can serve our customer base. And we get that service from McKeown Autos.
We've introduced you to preventive maintenance. How has that worked out for Viatel Technology Group?
It's worked out extremely well in that we cannot afford to have a van off the road. For every hour a van is off the road is an hour we can't serve our customer base. So having a preventative plan in place means that problems are caught before they become a bigger issue, meaning that our fleet can be on the road all the time or 24/7.
Carl, breakdown trucks have become a thing of the past for Viatel, but it's more than just about not breaking down. Tell me about safety.
Yeah, so safety is paramount to Viatel Technology Group. It's not just about the safety of our vans, but also of the drivers of these vans, and ensuring that they are in a safe working environment and the vans are being maintained correctly and regularly results in a higher level of safety.
A lot of companies, they're nearly afraid to spend money on preventive maintenance. They feel it's a bit of a false economy, but we've proved otherwise on that. How does preventive maintenance work with Viatel?
Yeah, so at Viatel Technology Group, the nature of the business that we do, our vans are on the road 24/7. And as a result, we accumulate mileage at a very fast rate. We regularly see our vans now at over 300,000 kilometers with no breakdowns. And that's down to the preventative maintenance schedule with McKeown Autos.
That's exceptional, isn't it?
It's amazing, yeah.
It's amazing. A lot of vans and a lot, especially the Renaults, will be well known, and some people will say that they can give a bit of trouble. But we find through preventive maintenance, they don't give any trouble.
We've been delighted with them, yes, and they give very little issues, and we're happy with the performance.